What's up, boys? Welcome back to the garage. It's been a little bit since I had a video, like always. Got some new tech we're going to show off a little bit, and some other new things and some water injection stuff I want to show you. The garage is a bit of a mess, but first off, we got a new camera. We have a gimbal we're using, so hopefully things are a little bit smoother for everybody and not as jittery as it was my last video. So new to the whole YouTube thing, so as we progress, we advance, and you can pretty much see that in my videos. Obviously 86 951 in various stages of disrepair. It's actually just the part I had to take the exhaust manifolds out of it, as my last video showed, and that is actually right there on the ground with a pressure test kit on it. That unit, like my other video shows, leaks like crazy. I have a really tricked out brand new exhaust being made, and there'll be a whole video on that and everything else. I'm really excited to show that to you guys. It's going to be awesome. So that's another video. Let's get back to what we're talking about here. So I wanted to do a follow-up on our water injection placement here. And I want to show you guys where I put the pump for now. So I'm going to bring you over here down into the fender well. The fender liner is out of this right now. You can see it's just all bare. Anybody that's worked on one of these before knows the fender liner removal is not a fun job. Right there is the pump, the water injection pump. I made a bracket for it that ties into the fender liner support really well. And everything's in there. It's a tight spot, but it works. There's room. I'm waiting for another 90-degree fitting for the other side, but for the most part, it is what we need. I'll plumb it. Everything will work out, and I'll have more videos on that, but I just wanted to show you the progress so far. Things tend to take me a little bit. Life gets in the way, but we're slowly but surely getting it done, hopefully ready for summertime. So we'll see how that goes. The other thing we did is the washer reservoir tank modified. Put a level sensor in it. You can see where that is in placement of the tank. So you're not totally out, but you're close enough to where you got to start looking at the fluid level. I changed out the washer pickup to the water injection pickup. It's actually a fitting much like this one. It has a screen on the bottom to keep debris out. Drops right in there. Fits perfect. It's going to work really well. Some of you guys might freak out and be like, well, how's it going to pick it up? Well, one, the pump is lower than this tank. So this line is not going to be like this. I was just testing some stuff. It's going to be down farther. When this tank's filled up, it's going to be fine pushing that fluid through there. So that tank's got to go back in the car. And it'll be, a clean install. That tank actually goes right here, right down in there. So that'll be a really good install. I think it's going to work well. The other thing I wanted to show you guys that's pretty cool is I'm messing with the 3D scanning. That is a Xbox 360 Kinect hooked up to the laptop. And you can see I scan the engine bay there. It's kind of a crummy scan because I did it real quick, but this technology, I'm relatively new to it. I think it's awesome so far. I got to play with it some more, but it'll allow for a lot of things that I mess around with to check fitment, to make parts of the 3D printer, all that kind of stuff. So check it out. Get online, check out how they do it. It's a really cool system. This was cheap. I got that thing for $40 on eBay. It works. This software is free. You could also get a paid version, but it's pretty neat what you could do with it. And that's really about it for the updates. I'll have more to come soon. Hopefully those headers will be on the way over here. I can get this thing back together. Oh, the other thing I wanted to mention, we finally got our prototype water neck done. This is usually a 2-piece unit on these 951s. We have a 1-piece unit with the bleeder up top. This is just a 3D printed test piece. but I'll eventually probably put these in production. Not that the two-piece was a huge problem, but it's nice having one piece, be billet, it's O-ring backed. The bleeder's in a better spot. It'll have a fitting on it so you can bleed it easy. And everything lines up and works well. So just been messing around out here, and that's where we're sitting right now. Questions, comments, please post them. Follow the channel. Keeps me going. I don't post too often. I'm trying to work on bettering that. And you guys following me and making comments and stuff really gets it going. So keep it up. Hope you guys are getting ready for summertime cruising as well. And that's that, boys. Peace out.